The expression for dy by dx given in the question is independent of y. So we try to rearrange the given equation and solve for y in terms of x. Now squaring on both sides. Use distribution law. Take all the terms to the LHS and group so that it can be factored. Use the identity for a square minus b square for the first two terms. Take xy common from the last two terms. So we get the factors x minus y times x plus y plus xy equal to 0. Given that x not equal to y, so x minus y not equal to 0. So x plus y plus xy equal to 0. Try to solve for y in terms of x. So y plus xy equal to minus x, take y common and we get y equal to minus x the whole divided by brackets 1 plus x. Differentiate this equation with respect to x. For that, we note that this is of the form u by v, so we use the quotient rule of differentiation.